Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl, Munnoh. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I made this Messiaigbe inspired turban. My customer wanted this as a turban. Messiaigbe's own was hand tied. My customer wanted it as a turban, so let me show you how I made this turban. If you are interested in this, please keep watching. For this tutorial, I used 3 lines of ashoke, 3 away. Okay, that is what I used to achieve this turban. Now I have skipped the base tutorial because I have shown you how to make a V-base. If you don't know how to make your V-base, please go back to the channel and watch that video. I don't want this video to be too long, that is why I skipped it. Now the part you see me joining is the back cover. I only skipped the V part of the base. For the back cover, I am using the measurement 28 inches in 2 places. So I folded it into 2 equal halves to get the midpoint. I attached the midpoint of one of the 28 inches to the midpoint of the V base. After joining it, make one pleat on the 28 that you just joined. That is, make one pleat on top of the V base, okay, and pin it down. Go ahead and use your bias tape to finish off the inside so that it looks very neat on the inside. Trim off any excess and then stitch down your bias tape. Now join the second 28 inches to complete the back cover. This is what it should look like if you did it correctly. The next thing we're going to do is to attach the upper part. You can see that I still left the back cover open. I haven't closed it up like a turban until when I finish attaching the upper part. Okay, so for the upper part, I cut out 30 inches in 4 places. 30 inches in 4 places. Then I went ahead to join them up in 2s. So I joined 2 strips of 30 inches and another 2 inches of 30 inches. I went ahead to hem, to fold the edges. Okay, now I'm going to be pinning one on each side. This method is exactly how you would do your autogele. Okay, so after making your base, you want to attach the frame so that you can tie. This is exactly how you're going to do it. So after that, I took it to my sewing machine and stitched both sides down. The next thing to do after stitching it down is to finish up the back to make it a turban. So I'm going to fold the back cover into 2 equal halves like so, and then I'm going to use my chalk to make the curve that we usually make on a turban. So I'll use my chalk to just make that curve. So I'll cut that out, then take it to my sewing machine and sew it. This is what it looks like after cutting it. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it neatly. Afterwards, I'm going to take my bias tape and use it to finish up that inside so that it looks very neat. Once you're done with that, go ahead and take your needle and thread to make running stitches . Our turban is ready and we are ready to tie. Okay, so this is what your turban should look like if you follow the steps correctly. Go ahead and put your turban on the mannequin head, securing it properly so that you can begin to tie. Okay, so the tying is very simple. What you're basically going to do is to make round pleats on each side of the contraption that you made. So make round pleats from beginning to the end of the fabric. Okay.
Mark chapter 8 verse 36 says, "What shall it profit a man if he gains the whole world and lose his own soul?" Jesus is interested in everything you do. He's interested in your business and he's interested in your success. Give him a chance today.
Once you're happy with the pleats that you have made, go ahead and arrange them properly. You can use pins to hold them down at this point or just go ahead and tack it, whichever works for you. Okay, so I'll set that aside and repeat the same thing on the second flap. Once you're done with both sides, twist at the center. So you would cross, the one on the right goes to the left, the one on the left goes to the right. Then return the one on the right back to the right, then the one on the left back to the left so that you have a twist at the center. Then go ahead and make round pleats on that flap that you flipped over on both sides. Okay, so you're going to make round pleats on that and finish it up as round pleats. Okay, I'd like to say a big shout out to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And then to the odogus of this channel, to all my paid members, thank you so much for supporting this channel by paying to become a member of this channel. And then to you who is joining this channel for the first time, you're just seeing my video for the very first time, or you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much and welcome to the family. Okay, if you like this kind of content, please leave me a comment in the comment section, like this video, and then share with your friends. You never can tell who needs to see this video. Okay, thank you so much for always supporting me. If you would like to gain access to all the member only videos, please subscribe to become a member of this channel and you will gain access to those videos. All right, thank you so much. I can't appreciate you enough. After making your pleats on both sides, so you're going to attach a strap for tying at the back, or you can just join both of them together, whichever works for you. I attached a strap to tie and our turban is ready. Until I come your way next time, stay safe and stay blessed.